Well, hello, friends. Welcome back to the car. Today, I don't have a programming topic, but rather a life topic. Because a week ago, Serenity celebrated its second birthday. And this is something that I'm obviously super happy about and really proud of. And leading up to that, I knew that I wanted to um, publish some kind of blog post or something, just showcasing what we have done in the second year of the project, just like I did the first Happy Birthday Serenity blog post, because that was very well received. It reached a lot of people, and I thought it would be fun to do something similar. Um, and of course, it doesn't have quite the same novelty the second time around, but because I don't know why. Like, people have seen it now, they're aware of it. Like, um, it's not, it doesn't catch people by surprise as much anymore. But that's okay. I still wanted to show all of the stuff that we've been doing because I'm really proud of it. I'm proud of everybody who worked on it. But anyway, the thing is that I was putting so much pressure on myself to just make some kind of post about it. And because of this weird self imposed pressure, um, it ended up feeling almost like work rather than fun. And I'm so used to everything around Serenity feeling like play and fun for me and never like work. So this was a this was a kind of an unusual experience, and it ended up with me feeling really, really drained after I finally got the thing out. And then I got all this correspondence because new people discover the system, and a lot of people were just congratulating on the birthday and everything, and that was super lovely. And I love hearing from people about this, and I always love when new people find the system. But it was draining. Like, I have to admit that, and I ended up feeling super tired after that. And in the week since, I've done way less programming than than I normally do, and like I made one video this week, um, and I've just been really really tired. So instead, I ended up doing a bunch of life tasks like going to the dentist and taking care of a bunch of things there that I've been putting off, and going to the optometrist and getting a new prescription for contacts. So now everything is really sharp, which, I'm really happy about those things because I gotta do those things. But it was it was weird to feel that way. It's new, and it scares me a little bit, I have to admit, but at the same time, I think it's going to be okay. And um, like, it's still fun for me around Serenity. It's just that I got a little startled. So I just wanted to talk about that today, and um, you know, I guess share the fact that I feel that way because I think that that's a reality of open source development and open source projects, that it's not always going to be 100% fun. And um, I'm sure I've told other people this in the past. It's just that it didn't apply to me in this project until this moment. So it's good that reality is catching up a little bit, um, because sometimes with open source projects, you have to do some things that can feel like work a little bit, and that's kind of part of it. And I know for a lot of people, like dealing with the interpersonal stuff, or dealing with contributors or other developers on projects, that can feel a lot like work. I've been very very lucky with the Serenity project that 99.9% of the people that hack on it are really lovely people, and um, or I should say 100% of the people who hack on it are lovely people. 99.9% of people that I've interacted with um, in reference or around the system have been lovely people. So it has never felt in any way draining to deal with the social aspect of it. But what is my point today? I guess I don't really have a point. I just wanted to tell you that I felt a bit drained, and um, and I know that that's a natural part of things, and I'm happy that I put out the page or the post about the second birthday, and I'm really happy with how far we've gotten, how much we accomplished in the second year, and I'm really excited to start on the third year. I mean, we have started it now, and I have no idea what I'm going to be doing or what anybody else is going to be doing in the third year, but we'll just have to see. Um, but yeah, um, I guess sometimes I guess maybe I just needed to decompress a little bit or something, and I wanted to make a video talking about it because this is the sort of thing that I would have tried to hide in the past because I always wanted to present um, this appearance of complete confidence or complete determination or whatever. And it's I think it's probably healthy for me to just tell you that um, this caught me by surprise a little bit, and I felt a little startled um, and a little bit miffed or bummed or whatever that it felt like work. But um, but it's okay. like I know that that's just part of it, um, and it will be back to feeling like fun in no time. I mean, it already feels like fun again, right? Like I'm just been hacking on little things here and there, doing a bunch of JavaScript optimization stuff, and I did the new ACK hash table yesterday, and did some tuning of it today, and it's just been some nice things, but not going really at the pace that I normally go, which I guess I needed to relax a little bit. Anyway, um, I think I think it's important. It seems important to me to make sure that I don't try to maintain this facade of the unstoppable Andreas, who is just always full of energy, always programming, always having fun with everything he's doing. Because even if I feel like that most of the time, like obviously nobody feels like that all of the time unless there's something afoot. So um, it's important to me to present the reality um, of these things. Um, I feel like I'm not expressing myself in the best way. I guess because this is a little bit of um it's the first time I guess I really talk about this, so I am struggling a little bit to find the words, but I hope you understand what I mean. And I thank you very much for letting me talk about this and like giving me a moment to share my feelings about the subject. So thank you for listening and for hanging out with me in the car. And I hope everybody out there is doing all right too with their projects. And I hope that you have um, a nice balance of fun versus work. And I will see you next time. Bye.